Alright guys, welcome back to Raw Doing Stuff. Today we're going to smoke some meatloaf, so I'm going to show you how we do that. First of all, we're going to get our onions. Today we're using green onions, and I've got some garlic in here, and then at the end we'll put some thyme. I'm just going to saute those up, get them a little tender, and then we'll mix the meatloaf together. Alright, so we're just going to fry these onions and garlic up like so. Alright, so these have been on here for a few minutes. We've got them where we want them to be. It's a half a cup of green onions and a couple tablespoons of granulated garlic. We're just going to take this and put it back in our bowl, and then we'll take it over to the table and mix it all together. Okay, so we have the rest of our ingredients over here. We have this chorizo sausage, 1 pound of that. We have a pound of ground beef, some fresh mozzarella cheese, some breadcrumbs, a quarter cup of chicken stock, 1 egg, and then we have our onions and garlic. So we're going to mix all that together, and then we'll show you how we form it out. We're just going to mix all that together. Eggshell in there. That'd be good. Anyway, just mix all that together. So the thing with meatloaf is you can do pretty much whatever you want with it. Make it to your own liking. Just like so. Almost forgot to add some barbecue rub to that. This is the same CC Riders rib rub that I use on my pork butts and my ribs. I'm going to throw a couple tablespoons of that in there. Mix that around. Okay, now what we want to do is split this in half. Let's see, it's probably about half there. I'll set it on parchment paper here. spread this out into kind of a loaf here. I want it about, inch thick size. Go like that. And we're going to take this, set that one off to the side. Take this one, put it on our tin foil. We're going to leave it on this sheet, this tin foil sheet, when we smoke it. Try to do it about the same size as the other one. Then what we're going to do, take our cheese, we're going to lay that down the middle here. That's probably enough. And we're going to take this one. The plan is to flip it over on top of this one. This could be tricky. Just like so, I think. Yeah. That looks like it turned out alright. And then we're just going to come around here, pinch these edges together, hopefully keep that cheese from leaking out too bad. We'll probably lose some, I would guess. Hopefully not too bad. Just do like so. So you think it looks good. Right there looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to do that, get rid of these, and I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of this rub on top of it. Not a lot, because it's already got some in it, just like so. Okay, we're ready for the smoker. So I'm going to go get the smoker fired up, and I'll meet you back out there. So we've got our smoker up to 230 degrees, between 225 and 250 is where you want it. You can see that I have moved it onto this aluminum barbecue. It's for vegetables and stuff, but I don't like greasy meatloaf. That's why I like smoked meatloaf. Meatloaf in the oven's too greasy, so I put it on this so the grease will run out of it. It doesn't just sit and bathe in the grease. So I'm going to smoky there. So I'm going to set that on there. We'll put our probe in here and let that go till it gets to about 150, and then we'll put our topping on it, let it cook for a little while longer till it gets to about 165. But we're just going to let that roll. We'll check back on it in an hour or so. Should take a couple hours to get it done, hour and a half to 2 hours is all. So we'll be back when it's done. Alright guys, this has been on here for about, it's been on here for about an hour now. So we're going to check it out. Yeah, she's looking good. Temperature's at about 125 degrees on it. So, yeah, everything seems to be going good. We're going to let it cook for another hour or so till it gets to 150, then we'll put the sauce on the top. Alright, so meatloaf's hit 165. Pull this probe out. Pull this off. Just run a bit of a leak out of the bottom. It'll probably be okay, not too much cheese came out. Get this inside, let it rest for a while, and we'll slice it up and taste it. We're going to cut this open and see what we've got. I'm just going to cut it right down the middle here, see what she looks like. Oh yeah, look at that cheese in there. Probably could have used a little more cheese, but hey, looks pretty good. Let's try a piece of this. Yeah, it's really good. That sriracha ketchup on there, it gives it just a little bit of a kick. Good flavor. Cheese is good in there. I'd recommend this. It's really good. Okay, we're gonna eat. Thanks for watching. Join us next time on Rod Doing Stuff. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up.